Hey y'all, it's Kat from Girl Gone Grillin', and today we're cooking up something kind of out of the box here on my Charbroil griddle. So this is the 36-inch Performance Series griddle, and this thing is a beast. But we're gonna be baking some chicken ramen right here on the griddle. It's gonna be so tasty, and I can't wait to show you how to make it. I've got my tray full of ingredients back there on my Charbroil prep cart, but let me walk you through all of the ingredients that you're gonna need for this recipe. For this recipe, I have a couple of diced chicken breasts, some diced onion and some diced green onion, some minced garlic back there, and I have 4 pouches of ramen noodles. I just removed the seasoning packet, boiled the noodles, and threw them in a tray. I've got a bag of frozen peas and carrots, a stick of butter hiding down there. I've got some of this Japanese barbecue sauce, some seasoning for the chicken, some yum yum sauce, and some sesame to garnish it at the end. Before we get to cooking, just ignoring the mess behind me. We're having to do some major construction inside our house right now, so it's a little bit messy out here. Just bear with me for now. Anyways, it's time to get to the good part, aka the cooking on the Charbroil griddle. This griddle is perfect for a cook like this because you've got plenty of space to cook up all of the stuff and things. Let's get into it. The first thing we're gonna do is preheat the griddle to a medium heat. Let's get to cooking, y'all. I'm gonna add some avocado oil on one side of my griddle. Spread that around just a little bit. And I'm gonna dump in my couple of diced chicken breasts. I'm seasoning up the chicken with this salt, pepper, garlic, suckle buster seasoning. Just gonna mix this up and let this sit over here and start cooking. On the other side of the griddle, I'm gonna add down some more oil. Spread that around. I'm gonna add down my bag of peas and carrots and my diced onions. Let's throw on some Japanese barbecue sauce to the chicken and give that a stir. Let's give these veggies a toss. Once the chicken is pretty much done and the veggies are just about done, it's time to start throwing this all together. What we're gonna do now is add a big chunk of butter right here into the middle. Going to add some minced garlic into that butter. And now our ramen noodles. We want them to get almost a little bit of crisp to them. Gonna add a little bit of this barbecue sauce to the noodles. Let's stir that all together. Oh my gosh, y'all, I wish you could smell this through the screen. My golly, does it smell delightful. All right, y'all, it's time to start throwing this together. Let's scoop our veggies and put those on top. And now our chicken. And some green onion. Now, let's mix all of this together. Some of those noodles get a little bit crispy. Ooh, this is gonna be so tasty. Look at that, y'all. Let's transfer this to a serving tray. For a finishing touch, we're gonna drizzle some yum yum all over the top. Some sesame seeds. And lastly, a couple more green onions. I mean, come on now, y'all. This looks and smells absolutely incredible. Obviously, we have to give this a try. Let's eat, y'all. Oh, that is so good. And there you have it, y'all. That is how to make this incredible grilled chicken ramen right here on your Charbroil griddle. This is a quick and flavorful dish that is perfect for any dinner. I hope that you give this one a try, and I can't wait to share many more amazing Charbroil griddle recipes with y'all. It's so much fun to cook on this thing. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see y'all again real soon. Bye, guys.